Hey, how is everybody? Lou from RV Habit. Today's project is going to be replacing the Freedom panels on my Jeep Hardtop with a Bestop Sunrider. It's kind of like a soft top for just the Freedom panels. So the Hardtop will stay and the Freedom panels where they were will be a soft top. So the first thing is to take these Freedom panels off. Let's get started. So the top comes with these two side rails that attach to your roll bar, and your roll bar padding is already cut out, and it comes with some knobs. So we'll just put that on here, line it up. And it says to just loosely start the knob, which I did, and I'll do the passenger side. Okay, both side rails are on, and next step is to actually lay the top on. Right there. This would be a little hard with one person. You got it? Let's see. It goes way back here. Okay. Just... there you go. Okay, let's get the knobs. So once you have the top in position, you'll line up the rear hole with the rear hole through the roll bar. And they said this might be a little difficult to originally line up to get it to fit, but, and again, just loose. Oh, it caught. That was pretty easy, actually. We'll do the passenger side. That's caught, and now the two existing mushroom knobs that are in the Jeep have to go back in. Here we go. And again, it says do not tighten it, just loosely attach it. Okay, I have all 6 hand knobs loosely tightened. Now it says that we need to install some torque screws, so let's get to that. So the next step is the kit comes with 6 T30 Torx screws that you're going to tighten completely at this point. And it comes with some thread locker on there, and there's a little hole under here, and it'll just tighten in there, and we're going to tighten these fully. We're not going to leave them loose. Okay, so both the passenger side and the driver's side have the Torx 30 nut in, and it's tightened completely down like they recommended. The next thing is they give you 2 clips that go in the back, and they also get T30 screws in them, just like this. I'll show you how to do it. So towards the back of the top, there's 2 screw wells for these T30 nuts, and it's just a clamp that's going to go on here. So we'll get these started. And it's exactly the same on the passenger side. 2 T30 screws that are provided in the clamp. We'll start them there. And we're going to completely tighten these down. Once that's all tightened, all your T30 nuts are tightened. Now you can go back and it says to tighten all the hand knobs. And I'm going to start with the mushroom knobs. that are included with the Jeep. So the mushroom knobs are tight. Now it's just these last two knobs on each side. We're just going to hand tighten them down. And once all the knobs are tightened, we're going to pull this forward. And it's going to be a little tight because they say it's going to be tight until it stretches out. And we're going to go inside and attach it. Okay, so once you're inside, you're going to pull down and you'll connect your clips and then just slowly lock it in place. Perfect. There's one more thing we need to address outside and the install's done. So once you have the top all connected, you're going to see this bulb seal here and you'll see it's sticking out. This actually has to be pushed in, and it says you may need to make a few passes to get it all the way in, but you're just going to use your fingers and it will push in there, and that's what's going to keep it dry. And as you can see, it's slowly going in that groove from the hardtop. You can see the difference. And again, it says you may need to do a couple passes to get it all the way down, but that's what's going to ensure you get no leaks. And if you could see that, see how much further from the first pass to the second pass it's going in? Okay, let me just finish this up. So that's it. That seal does take a little patience. It took like 15 minutes to do it like 2 or 3 times to actually get it to seat really fine. This is the twill version. They make a black diamond, like the vinyl. For $100 more, I would get the twill. It's really, really nice. And I'll show you what it looks like open. And that's it. You just flip it back. I'm going to leave a link to this below. I'll also do a blog article as usual. This took, what, 20 minutes with 2 people. You only really need 2 people to get the top on the Jeep at first. The tightening the knobs is no big deal, but really, really easy. And this is going to make a huge difference because I never used to take off my Freedom panels. As always, I appreciate you watching. If you see me out there, say hello, and I'll see you soon.